it on road trips with your boy. I didn't know he was such a fucking karaoke man.
Karaoke, bro.
Learned some weird shit. Surprising.
Man.
Breaking my girlfriend's chair. Look at that.
I ain't breaking. It's like a table.
It's a footrest. They already got people camping out here for this shit already. I bet you there's someone sleeping. Was that the Supreme tent?
Ain't no damn Supreme tent. Oh, this is a lounge.
So you got to put the chair out, right, to hold your spot in line. Then you go sit back in a warm car. D, tell them why we're here. What we're here to get.
Fucking rug, bro. I want this wet grass rug. When you step on my shit, feel grass, but don't step on my shit.
Right. I'm trying to get whatever. I want the rug. I want the mirror.
I mean, I want pretty much everything, but I really came for the fucking wet grass rug. That's it. Clock and all that shit. I want it, but I want the rug.
We're getting it. All right, so we got to Ikea. We got some tents, some chairs. We set our chairs out. It's $3.50. Okay, they hand out wristbands at 7. We got 3 hours, and then we still can't even buy it till 10. So we're gonna be here for a fucking minute, but we're here, and there ain't too many people in front of us, so we're probably gonna get everything we want. Let's keep the fingers crossed for that, though. So, peace.
A little hungry, so we can't steak and shake. Look at that beard. Look at the porn stash.
Hey, ask him why D got a seven patty sandwich.
I wish I would have got that 7 patty sandwich.
7 patty sandwich.
7 fucking patty. Oh, we vlogging? Man, I wish I would have known about that 7 patty sandwich, man.
So
I got this Cajun. It's only 2 pieces of meat.
Apparently,
7 would have been better.
Apparently, Steak and Shake has a 7 patty, 7 slices of cheese sandwich.
Demolished.
I almost would have bought it for you to do that, but I ordered mine. But dude, a 7 patty, like what type of human needs a 7 patty? 7 slices.
You need a slice of cheese for each patty.
I mean, I agree.
You know what I mean? They're like Cajun bread.
Man, and then we're at Steak and Shake at 4 in the morning. On a Thursday night, aka Friday morning.
You got the rug already?
No,
and there's
you
actually
can't get the rug until 10
people
o'clock.
in here.
You gonna be here till 10 o'clock in the morning? Then I'm gonna have to drive an hour back to Angelo.
Shit, I gotta drive 2 hours back. That's closer than driving 4 hours
Nah,
to
cause
Cleveland.
who wanted this fucking rug?
Man, listen, when you put your feet,
Nobody for your problem.
when you put your feet on this rug, you're gonna be like, ooh, it feel like grass.
These old ladies getting at them.
It's a grass rug that says wet grass. Isn't that amazing?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I don't have to work this weekend.
6 o'clock. There's people been here since 9 a.m. yesterday. Check out this tent set up.
Two of them came, which makes sense.
So there's a good amount of people out here already. Alright guys, it's fucking 7:15 out here right now. It's 33 degrees, feels like 25. Literally is a freeze warning. We're sitting out here just dying in this line. Fat ass line. and these guys are late at Ikea, which is miserable because obviously didn't come dressed for this. I mean, this dude did. He had a tent, the down, sleeping bag, and everything. He was even he had a jet boil. He was a backpacker. He's like a dude from our local area, but he had the jet boil out, boiling coffee, everything. It was wild. He was here since like 9 in the morning, but man, I'm telling you, it's freezing, and they need to pass these wristbands out so I can warm up and go get a coffee.
What we're going to need to do here, I need everybody to figure out exactly where they are in line, who's in front of them, who's behind them. We need to swing this line, point it that way. So the first person is over here, going back from there.
So this is going to be difficult and cause problems. Maybe not. Lucky number 1. All right, so we just moved, and I guess we're gonna chill on this side of the building now for another fucking half an hour in the freeze. This is my breath. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's freezing, freezing, and it's literally snowing at home. We're 2.5 hours from our house, and when we go back, it's literally snowing. So check back when we get some stuff.
9:30.
9:30 at the restaurant, yep.
Thank you.
Lucky 13.
Oh, good. All right, so we got our wristbands. I got lucky number 13.
12, baby. 1, 2.
So basically, these numbers are a place in line. It took them an extra 40 minutes to actually give these out. They said they were going to be out at 7. So we sat there in literally 25-degree weather, or feels like 25. It's actually 30 degrees.
Cold as fuck.
And it's like our first cold day in this area. We're like in Ohio. We're right now in Columbus, Ohio.
Man, the top off right here.
But so we're about to run to the gas station. We got to piss, get something hot to drink, and then the actual cafeteria opens at 9:30. So we might be able to get in for that.
We will be able to get in for that.
But we still got to be in our line. But at least at 10, we all got to be lined up with our numbers. They're going to pass out papers for bigger items, and we can go pick up the other items that we want. So let's see what we get.
We're not launching until 10. So we're opening the door right now. If you want to come in for coffee, breakfast, come on in.
Oh, man.
The thing is, though, when we go through the line, start calling at 10. If your number comes up, you're not here to go in at your spot, we move on. You'll end up at the back of the line, all right?
All right.
It's a move.
Are you calling to get there? I'm not sure where they're going to call. We'll probably be out here.
All right, so apparently there's 100 green wristbands, and after that it goes to orange. I guess there's only 100 rugs or like big sought-after pieces. I mean, me and D got 12 and 13, so we should pretty much get everything we want. Even though we're not going to get everything. But let's see what this lady's saying. 13, I'm 13.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I'll take one too.
Thank you.
I'll take the last one. Thank you very much. And they give you free, I mean, they're coming out more. And they give you free Cinnabons and coffee. And we're in. All right, so word on the street, there's only 15 rugs. Me and D got 12 and 13. So
14 right here.
and then my boy got 14. So we're gonna scope it out real quick. Technically, we're not really supposed to be up here, but the store's open, so I guess there really ain't nothing they could do. But there she is. That's the golden ticket right there. Tons of bags. rest of the drop. Table, chairs. Display cases. Clocks. Tools, mirror, Mona Lisa. Bed sets. So that's it. Just a quick early look at it. About to get some free coffee and some more Cinnabons. But we got lucky. If there's only 15 rugs, we made it. All right, so apparently number 4, 5, and 6 are missing. And they're only letting 5 or 10 people in at a time, so this looks like the first group.
Yeah, so I would hit them up and let them know, like, they can still come in the store, but it's like, it all depends on.
So, me and D got bumped up in the top 10 now, but it's still kind of a mystery on how many rugs there actually are. So, gotta grab my Ikea bag so I can load it up. Mr. Number One. Number one.
I can probably copy some.
With you? Okay.
Mr. Number One's famous.
You want the toolbox and shit,
He camped out since 9 in the morning.
Sammy just text me like this.
Tent and everything. All right, here we are. Look, running up the escalator. We're in. They're basically letting us go in at it and get whatever we want now. So let's scope it out and pick some stuff up, guys. We got our load out what we want. So we're getting and getting out. I just want the rug and the light. Picking up the Mona Lisa for the homeboy. Got the little toolkit too. But all right, we're out of here. Got a bunch of stuff.
Oh, you didn't grab the bags, bro?
Oh, I didn't care about them.
Oh, I would have paid you. I'm sorry. It's all good.
Fuck, my bad. I'll go back in and grab them. I should have said something, honestly, because I wasn't planning on getting everything. I just really wanted the rug and a clock. I didn't really care about anything else.
That rug is insane.
I'm honestly, dude, I'm gonna destroy it.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna mount it to my wall and then put shelves on it. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put my sneakers on them shelves.
I love it, man.
So basically this is all going to chaos. Mona Lisa was like the first 12 were gone. The clock, like the first 10 or 12 people gone. And then when you ring out for everything, it was all higher than the display price. So now they gotta do huge refunds to get everything straightened out. Like this is the line to pick stuff up. You gotta pull a ticket and wait for your number to get your price adjusted. So it's chaos right now. So we're trying to get our money straight and then we're good. All right, man. So this stuff turned out to be absolutely crazy.
Everybody not
So
gonna get that adjustment.
all the prices were, man, push this cart.
Man, come on.
Come on, dog. All right, so it turned out to be absolutely crazy. When we first got in, all the prices were marked lower than what they quote unquote should have been.
No, they were higher than what they should have been.
No, you're dead wrong. They were marked on the thing.
Oh yeah, look.
When we walked in, we were the first wave of people to get in there, and they were marked lower than what they should have been. Then when we got down to the register, everything rung up higher. So the rug was marked $199, and that went up to $250 when we got downstairs. The Mona Lisa was marked at $79, and then it was $100 when we got down there. The receipt rug was marked at 79 or 75 or something, and then it was 100 or something down there. So basically the first few people that went in got those prices, but we had to stay in line for like 2 hours, and we ended up getting everything for that low price. But after those first few people, they went back and changed all the prices on all the stuff. So now everybody behind us got the rug for $250.
The ones that think they might get a price adjustment,
Right.
They're not getting
People are thinking they're going to get a price adjustment, but they're really not, which is kind of unfortunate, but we kind of got lucky. But so yeah, we actually got steals on this stuff, man. We got Mona Lisa sold out completely. They did a second wave of clocks. We ended up getting our rugs and everything, but we're
people walking out of there with just toolboxes.
Right, literally people coming down there with just a toolbox, man. And that was overpriced too. It was $9.99 up there, rung up $20.
They didn't get nothing but a toolbox.
So it was something else to say the least, man. It was
success to me.
I mean, it's a success for us, but for everybody else, we gotta pay.
We can't worry about everybody else. We worry about us.
Right. We gotta eat. And they gave us some free chocolates. Check that out right there.
Free chocolate.
Was good. All right, I'm gonna load this shit up.